Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have QCY T13X and I'm going to show you how can you easily edit your gestures. At first we have to open our QCY app and then wait a moment. Now we have to go into the settings of our device, and now as you can see, touch, double touch and triple touch. We can edit our left earbud function for our single touch, outward, gaming mode, volume down, volume up, voice assistance, keep track forward, backward, play and pause, and same with double touch, triple touch, and the same is with right one. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.